Hello viewers, I hope that you are doing well. So we are here with our next part video of how to create a seller account on the Fiverr. Here as you can see that we discontinued our video on the personal information. This manual I have completed. As you complete one section, then click on the add button. If you want to add new information, some new content, then you can click on add new. As I have filled my form, so I am now clicking on the continue icon. Continue. Okay, linked account. Well, you can link your Fiverr account with your Google, Facebook, and Twitter account. This is not necessary, but if you will link it, then will more people will develop more trust on you. It will make your account authorized and it will give a secure and safe feeling for your customer. I'm not connecting, so I will continue it. Okay, here is the account security. You can here share your email. Just verify your email and add your phone number. I'm not sharing here my phone number, and as you will click on the verified icon, then Fiverr will send a code on your email and you have to verify your account from your email at ID. And if you add your phone number here, Fiverr can also send a message on your phone number and you have to verify it. So these are some security options. Continue here. You are almost done. Well, if you want to add some information and if you feel that some information is skipped, then you can click on the add profile option. Edit the profile. Here you can edit your profile. As you can see that all the information is here. Check each and every detail. Be careful while filling this form. Check each section. If you want to add something else, you can do. And if you want to if you want to edit your description is the most important part, because your client firstly read your description, the brief description of your work. Try to make it precise as much as possible, and it should be very attractive and the language should be very professional used in the description. I have done with my profile, so I will not edit my profile and simply will continue and create my first gig. So thank you so much. In my next video I will tell you how to gig the account. Be with us for more interesting video about Fiverr and regarding business activities, business technicalities, management of your business, ups and downs of your business. If you are new on Fiverr, be with us. We will guide you on each and every steps. The problem you face in the Fiverr account, and if you are going with us and facing any problem, then you can comment in the comment section. I will answer about your problem. I will tell you the solution of your problem. I will also try to give my email contact, so you can email me directly if you are having any trouble. Otherwise you can comment me in the comment section. I will tell you whatever you want to ask, and I will tell you the best solution of your problem. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself and remain with us. I will add my number on the Fiverr profile, so the Fiverr will send me a message and I will confirm that, and I'm also adding my email address. I'm not sharing in this video because I want to make it personal, so you can add and Fiverr will send an email and message on your phone number and your email, and you have to verify your account from there. Okay, is it simple? If you have any confusion, you can ask. Thank you so much. We will be right back with another interesting video.